Years ago, I spoke to Dr. Fox from Sympatex, and we spoke about what the industry is talking about and what things have to be changed. Back then, I had a feeling that not everybody was kind of going with the flow. Now, everybody's talking about it. It seems like to be everybody's number one topic, circular economy, but you are one of the only ones who have figured out a way to deal with it. Would you agree with that? And why are you one of the only ones?
Well, I totally disagree, to be honest. All we did is we combined the puzzle pieces. And I think that makes perhaps the impression that we are unique, but basically what we combine is things which are available on the market. Especially when it comes to polyester material, the recycling process is available. All we need to start thinking about it at the beginning of the design process of the apparel. And I think that's where the struggle starts. People believe sustainability, circularity is a constraint in innovation. We believe it's an accelerator of innovation.
Let's talk about the materials you use and why it is possible with the materials that you use and not with other companies' materials.
Right. Well, there is a range of material we can imagine at some point we can make a circularity process. We just believe, let's start easy. Over 50% of the apparel industry is based on polyester. There's available recycling process on polyester, whether it's based on apparel, whether it's based on a PET bottle, like some people start doing it now, it's the same thing. So we said, well, let's cure half of the problem with polyester and then look at the rest. We are just polyester believers because it's simple in recycling, it's applicable wherever you want. You can put accessories, zippers, buttons, everything out based off polyester, Velcro. So we believe, let's start with a simple approach where the technical solutions are available, and let's not make things too complicated.
But does it also mean changing the industry, and not only that the industry maybe has to comply to what the environment needs and not the other way around all the time?
Well, I think sometimes when we hear change, people all get scared and think that's constraints, that's compromises, that's difficult to achieve. What we actually realized when you simplify the problem in a way saying, okay, let's go circular and see how far we can get, you come up with a ton of different solutions which are available on the market, which still need scalability. So the more people embrace the system, the better it is. And that's why we do things openly, that we get basically everybody taking the sustainability, the circularity thing as a new normal, rather than making it something extraordinary. It's not. It's just, in our view, something, the most natural thing which fits our industry to work on. So perhaps the main thing is we need to get it to the boardroom as a kind of a natural thing to be done and making everything else unnatural.
So maybe this is the perfect place to do it. This is the A+A, not only about safety, security and health at work, but also about sustainability. And you are once again presenting the new innovations. Thank you so much for your time today.
My pleasure.
Thank you.